All right, you guys. This is my 1987 Honda TRX250R. This is actually raced by a local guy, I think in the early 2000s, Ratt Racing. The guy was a big snowmobile racer, enjoyed a lot of dune toys, fast boats, and he's just getting rid of a couple projects so he can get the last couple that he's got left. He's an older fella, probably in his 60s or so now. But this thing is pretty sweet. It's got a full Laeger front end on it. Not only that, it's got the billet spindles on it, the steer tube, everything. The whole front end is all Laeger. It's got risers on it, rental bars. It's got a Magura hydraulic clutch, as you can see right there. LRD full race build motor. He said he had like, I don't know, $4 or $5 grand just in the motor. It's actually shaved top, space bottom. I'm not super technical with all that stuff, but basically the gist of it, it adjusts the port timing, and also raises the compression a little bit. Yeah, so this thing's been sitting for a while, but got all new plastics for it. Got new graphics, OEM graphics, and we're gonna make a little resto mod out of this thing. Even gave me a little stand with it and stuff, and yeah, it's got super nice parts on it all the way around. It's taken care of. So let me know what you guys want to see on this thing. I'm excited about this project. I've had it for about 6 months now, but the work season's starting to slow down a little bit. So this is gonna be time to get after it.